when pouring a new floor, and especially in a large area, there's a few really useful tools that'll help you get the job done perfectly. One thing that made a difference having are spiked shoes. So today, Corey's gonna help you set yourself up to walk on water with this helpful piece of equipment. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notifications bell. Anyways, back to the point, I'm Danielle and welcome to De-cor Homes.
You'd think they came from IKEA, like they're Swedish shoes or something. You gotta build it yourself. Like I don't get it. Hey there, Corey from De-cor Homes here. On today's episode, we're assembling spiked shoes. So I order so many things from Amazon, I actually forget what I ordered and when I ordered it. These things came in and I'm like, what the heck are these things? They look like brackets that go on a wall or something. And then when I saw all these little spikes, it kind of reminded me of my spiked shoes. So these are spiked shoes. They're 1 inch long, and they actually go inside these little holes. It's hilarious. When you look at a picture, when you order these things, they look like just regular spiked shoes, and then they come looking like this. Anyways, we'll get started building this, and we'll see what it looks like.
See you next time.